Have you ever noticed how procrastination feels good, at least for a moment? Like you're supposed to start studying, but you grab your phone for a quick scroll, and for a few minutes, you actually feel better. That tiny relief, that's the reason you keep getting stuck, because every time you delay something important, your brain rewards you for it. It literally releases dopamine, the same chemical that makes you feel pleasure. So procrastination isn't just a bad habit, it's an addiction to temporary relief. So let's break it down. Here is the loop. You have a task, you feel anxiety about it, you avoid it, and you feel some relief. You feel guilt, and then you keep repeating it. It starts with something you need to do, maybe studying, cleaning, or starting that project. You think about it, you feel a little stress. Your brain sees that as a pain, so it says, let's just do something else for a minute. You scroll TikTok, you grab food, you check your messages, and instantly your brain gives you a hit of dopamine. You feel safe again. But here's the dark part. Your brain learns from that. It learns that avoiding discomfort equals to reward. So the next time something feels hard, it will push you to skip even faster. That's why every day feels hard to start. You've unknowingly trained your brain to love avoidance. I used to do that every single night. I would open my laptop to start an assignment, and then my brain would say, just check YouTube for a second. Maybe something inspiring will pop up. One video turned into 10, and by the end, I realized what happened. It was midnight. Then I would panic, rush to do it, and promise myself that tomorrow would be different. But it never was, because I wasn't fighting procrastination anymore. I was fighting a reward system that I had built with my own actions. Every delay, every distraction was another reward my brain had learned to crave. Here's the thing, your brain doesn't care about your long-term goals. It only cares about keeping you comfortable right now, because as humans, we always want to be comfortable and safe. Dopamine isn't evil, it's a survival chemical. Back in history, it helped humans stay motivated to find food, shelter, safety. But now, the same system gets hijacked by social media, endless scrolling, instant notifications. You get rewarded for doing nothing, and your brain can't tell the difference between I just built a business and I just got 200 likes. It just knows I did something easy, I feel good, let's do more of that thing. That's how people get stuck in this hidden reward loop. They mistake dopamine for progress. Here's the secret I wish someone told me earlier. You can't eliminate dopamine, but you can retrain it. When I started realizing this, I made one rule for myself. I had to earn my dopamine. No scrolling, no comfort until I did something uncomfortable first. It didn't have to be big. Sometimes it was just studying for 25 minutes, but that simple rule flipped the loop. Now my brain started linking dopamine with progress instead of avoidance, and that's when my consistency started growing like crazy. Here's the loop you actually want. If you have a task, you will feel discomfort, but you will take action, you make progress, you feel pride, and you repeat it. Because that pride you feel after you actually do the thing, that's the purest, cleanest dopamine there is. The difference is it's delayed. You have to push through the uncomfortable part first. But that's what separates winners from procrastinators. They chase long-term satisfaction instead of short-term comfort. You start training your brain that discomfort equals growth, and suddenly you don't run from it anymore. You crave it. If I could go back to my younger self, the one lying in bed, scrolling for hours, saying tomorrow I'll change, I would tell her this. You're not lazy. You're just stuck in a loop that rewards the wrong things. Your brain isn't against you. It's just doing what you trained it to do. So retrain it. Start rewarding effort, not escape. Don't chase the quick hit. Chase the real win. Because once you do, procrastination stops feeling comforting and progress starts feeling addictive. If this hit home, wait until the next episode. We are going even deeper into how your brain protects you from effort and how to break that protection mechanism completely. You're not just going to learn this, you're going to live it.